I went to the Outer Banks of North Carolina last May, and we visited the Wright Brothers Museum where the first flight took place. And I was so amazed by the quality of it. I've got to take this back to my DEEP students. Like, this is so cool. So the idea came just to do a cardboard replica of the Wright Flyer. But when I received both grants from STEM Utah and America First Credit Union, then I broadened the idea to include the model airplanes so that every student can go home with their own model airplane that they've built. Grant proposal was that I would have a community event to display our replica. And when I found out it was the World's Fair that the school was doing, I thought this is perfect because really the Wright brothers changed the world with one idea. They've provided us transportation so we can go anywhere in the world.
And it's just like a nice event to highlight all of the different cultures that we have at our school. We have about 16 different countries represented in our school, which is very important for us. And it's just like a fun time, and everybody comes and share things that they're proud of. So we have food, we invited people to bring artifacts or show pictures of places that they've been or that are important to their family. For me, it's just so interesting to see what everyone's lives is like at home that we don't get to see here at school. When they're able to share just like a piece of what their lives are like, I think that's very special and they feel so seen. And so I think it has definitely helped build those relationships between family and school.
And I wanted my students to know, like, you can change the world too. One idea could change the world, and you have that potential to do that.